Imagine beings from another realm, living among us yet invisible to our eyes. An unseen presence that coexists in our world, sharing our spaces, our time, and perhaps our very lives. This is not a premise of a science fiction novel, but a fascinating proposition from Dr. Young-Hae Chi, a professor at the University of Oxford. Dr. Chi doesn't merely suggest that extraterrestrials are visiting Earth. He takes it a step further, proposing that these interstellar visitors are reproducing with humans. Yes, you heard it right. Alien-human hybrids might be walking among us, but why? The answer is as intriguing as the proposition itself. To save our planet from the ravages of climate change. Dr. Chi weaves a narrative of an intricate silent invasion, a covert operation of extraterrestrial integration. It's a theory that challenges our understanding of reality, blurring the lines between the conceivable and the incredible. Are we on the brink of a silent invasion, or is this simply a theory spun from the depths of the unknown? Dr. Chi's theory isn't based on mere speculation. He's got some compelling arguments. Now let's dive a bit deeper into the heart of his theory. Dr. Chi links the rising number of alien abductions with the changes in our planet's climate. Sounds offbeat, right? But bear with me. He believes that these otherworldly beings are not just visiting us for a joyride. They are here with a purpose. As our Earth's climate continues to change, the rate of these abductions seems to be increasing. Dr. Chi suggests that these aliens are creating a hybrid race with humans, a race that can survive and thrive in the changing climatic conditions. But where's the proof, you ask? Well, let's take a trip back to the year 2001. A meeting that could easily be the plot of a blockbuster movie took place. It was a gathering of the minds, a conference of military personnel, intelligence officials, government representatives, and physicists. It was here that retired Sergeant Clifford Stone dropped a bombshell. He claimed that our Earth is a host to not one, not two, but a staggering 57 extraterrestrial species. Yes, you heard right, 57, but that's not all. Stone wasn't just making an idle claim. He provided evidence, data, and testimonies that painted a picture of an Earth that was far from being the only inhabited planet in the universe. This assertion, coupled with Dr. Chi's correlation between alien abductions and climate change, begins to form a narrative that is hard to ignore. So, what's the takeaway here? We've got a respected professor from Oxford University, a retired military sergeant, and a room full of top officials all pointing towards the same conclusion. We are not alone. And our extraterrestrial visitors, they might have a far more significant role in our future than we ever imagined. The pieces of this cosmic puzzle are falling into place, but can we trust the picture they're forming? Back in 2003, a plan was set into motion, a plan that could change the course of humanity forever. This isn't your everyday run-of-the-mill plan to fix a broken economy or to tackle climate change. No, this plan is quite literally out of this world. We're talking about the Extraterrestrial Integration Action Plan. This plan, as per various accounts, marked the beginning of a silent invasion. An invasion so subtle that we might not even realize it's happening. It's not about green-skinned Martians with ray guns or spaceships materializing out of thin air. It's far more insidious, far more intimate. Historian David M. Jacobs has delved deep into this realm of the unknown. His work paints a picture of a future that's as fascinating as it is unnerving. He suggests that these extraterrestrial beings aren't just here for a quick visit. No, they have plans, and we, the human race, are a part of it. But what exactly are these plans? Jacobs suggests that it could involve the integration of human hybrids. Yes, you heard that right. The mingling of our DNA with theirs, creating a new race born not just of Earth, but of the cosmos. This silent invasion, as Jacobs puts it, could be happening right under our noses. The aliens aren't coming, they're already here. They're not just observing us or studying us, they're becoming us. They're integrating with us, blending into the fabric of our society, and potentially guiding our future. But of course, this is all based on theories and conjecture. There's no tangible proof, no smoking gun. It's a story that's as fascinating as it is controversial. And as with all such stories, it's met with a mix of intrigue, skepticism, and outright disbelief. Is this a master plan of cosmic proportions or merely a figment of human imagination? We may not have the answers today, but the quest for truth continues. Stay with us as we delve deeper into this cosmic conundrum in the next scene. A hybrid race? Part human, part alien, it sounds like science fiction, but could it be our reality? Ponder on this for a moment. A race that is not entirely of this world yet shares our DNA. A race that is as much us as it is them. This is what Dr. Young-Hae Chi, a professor at the University of Oxford, proposes. He suggests that extraterrestrials are interbreeding with humans to create a hybrid race. But why, you might ask? Well, according to Dr. Chi, this hybrid race might just be our planet's savior. He believes that these hybrids could potentially save us from the ravages of climate change. These alleged beings, born of two worlds, might possess the knowledge and the ability to reverse the damage we've inflicted upon our home. Dr. Chi suggests that there's a strong correlation between extraterrestrial abductions and changes in Earth's climate. Could these abductions be part of a grand plan? Are these extraterrestrial beings carefully selecting humans to create a superior breed that can withstand and even reverse environmental decay? This idea is as intriguing as it is terrifying. The existence of a hybrid race implies that we're not alone, that there are beings out there who are actively seeking to merge with us. It presents a new perspective on the classic alien narrative, shifting it from one of fear and invasion to one of cooperation and salvation. But as with all things, there's a flip side. While the thought of a hybrid race saving our planet is indeed fascinating, it also brings about a chilling question. If this is indeed happening, what does it mean for us as a species? Are we to be replaced, outlived by a race that is part us, part them? Are these hybrids just the next step in evolution, a necessary change to ensure the survival of life on Earth? Or are they a warning sign, a glimpse into a future where human civilization as we know it comes to an end, making way for something new, something alien? Are these hybrids the heroes of our future or the harbingers of our civilization's end? The truth, as they say, is out there, but are we ready to face it? Our journey into the extraordinary leads us to the heart of the matter, Dr. Young-Hae Chi's relentless pursuit of truth. A professor at the University of Oxford, Dr. Chi is not just an academic, but a trailblazer, bravely venturing into areas of research that many would deem controversial, even outlandish. His quest is not just to prove his theory, but to challenge our understanding of life beyond Earth. His book, a culmination of years of research, throws light on his belief in the existence of extraterrestrial beings. It delves into the proposed alien plan for Earth's salvation, the creation of a hybrid race, and the correlation between alien abductions and climate change. It's a bold claim, to say the least, and reactions to it have been as diverse as they are intense. Some have dismissed it as mere science fiction. Others have ridiculed the idea, while a few have taken the time to consider the possibilities. Among the latter are those who are intrigued, those who are skeptical, and those who are fearful.